How to change language in Disney Speedstorm game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily change your language setting in Disney Speedstorm game. First of all, launch open the Disney Speedstorm application on your device and log in. From the home page of Disney Speedstorm, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear icon. Once you do that, from the settings menu, look for a language option and tap on it. Now, go ahead and choose a different language of your preference. Scroll through the preferred language options and click on the language you want to change to. Right after you do that, you'll see the language of the display changed. Click on Accept at the bottom, and there you have it. That is how you can easily change your language setting on Disney Speedstorm. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.